You wake up on the floor, head splitting, mouth dry, stomach twisted from junk and cheap liquor. The air stinks like sweat and regret. Your phone's buzzing with pointless messages from people you don't even respect. The room's trashed, just like your discipline. And your chest? Empty. Like something inside you died a little last night. You said you were done living like this. You swore you'd level up. But here you are, again, hungover, bitter, regretting every second. You didn't slip. You chose this. It never starts with rock bottom. It starts with little slips. One skipped workout, one more drink, one more night pretending you don't care. You keep telling yourself it's just temporary, just stress, just life. But every time you break your word, every time you choose comfort over control, you lose something. And before you even realize it, you're not you anymore. You're the watered-down version that settles. You look in the mirror, you've gone soft. Your eyes look dead. Your posture screams defeat. You don't see a man. You see a quitter dressed in excuses. You used to move with purpose. Now you hide behind screens, junk food, and fake confidence. You chase comfort because you can't handle the work, not the pain, not the pressure, not the discipline it takes to earn respect from yourself. You talk like you're trying, but you haven't done shit in months. You've been lying, shrinking, avoiding, and every day you feel it. That pit in your gut, that voice in your head, the shame that follows you into every quiet moment. You did this. Stop pointing fingers. The job didn't make you weak. The stress didn't force your hand. No one shoved junk down your throat or dragged you away from the gym. You did that. You chose the drink. You chose the scroll. You chose comfort over growth, over progress, over your own damn standards. You weren't sabotaged. You weren't misled. You quit on yourself in silence, in private, where no one could see. And now you're stuck in a body you don't respect, living a life you barely recognize, waking up every day with a pit in your chest. You built this hell, one weak choice at a time. You want out? Then stop talking and start swinging. This isn't some motivational bullshit. This is war. And the battlefield is your mind. Every craving, every excuse, every lazy thought. That's the enemy. You don't fix this with a vision board. You fix it with blood, with sweat, with discipline when your body begs to quit, and silence when your mind starts whining. You built this mess, and now it's on you to tear it down. No help, just you. Face to face with the weakness you fed for years. Kill it, burn it out. There's no fixing what you were. That version of you was built on shortcuts, lies, and weakness. You don't fix that. You destroy it, burn it down. Every excuse, every soft habit, every lazy voice in your head that told you it's okay when it wasn't. You don't need motivation. You need a funeral for the version of you that folded, that blamed, that quit when it was hard. The man you're trying to become doesn't grow out of that past. He replaces it with reps, with pain, with days stacked in silence, far away from comfort, far away from approval. No one gives a damn what you say. No one's impressed by your goals, your plans, or your fake urgency. Talk is cheap. Results are loud, and results don't show up in comfort. They show up when no one's watching. When you train in silence, when you eat clean while everyone else shoves garbage in their face, when you execute without applause, without attention, without excuses. This is where most men quit. They talk discipline, but they move soft, no edge, no follow through. You don't get to claim it. You earn it with action, with pain. There is no start tomorrow. There is no perfect plan, perfect timing, perfect feeling. That lie is how weak men stall their entire lives, waiting for clarity, waiting for motivation, waiting for something to change before they do. You don't need another talk. You don't need another reason. You need to stop waiting for the storm to pass and start building while it's still raining. You've already wasted enough time. You've waited, you've hesitated, you've delayed, and where has it gotten you? Right here, stuck, watching your life shrink while you make excuses for why you haven't moved. You don't wait to start. You start. You say you're disciplined, but your habits expose you. You say you're hungry, but your actions scream comfort. You wear ambition like a mask, but underneath, you're soft. Discipline isn't what you post. It's what you do when no one's around. It's what your body looks like. It's what your life feels like. It's the sum of your smallest decisions stacked over time. Every meal you skip, every rep you fake, every excuse you justify, that's who you really are. Not the version you sell to the world, not the fantasy in your head. You are what you repeat. You don't get better by wanting it. You don't level up by talking about it. You pay for it with discomfort, with discipline, with days that break you and nights that don't care. The price is waking up early when you're dead tired, showing up when no one's watching, training when everything hurts, eating clean when your cravings scream. You pay in silence. You pay in sweat. You pay in reps no one claps for. And most people won't pay it because most people are soft. But if you want to become something real, you bleed for it. No one's handing it to you. You earn it. You are not your potential. You are not your plans. You are what you do over and over. One clean meal changes nothing. One workout doesn't make you disciplined. One hard day doesn't make you hard. It's what you repeat. It's what you live. It's showing up tired, sick, pissed off when no one's watching and nothing feels good. Every rep is proof. Every decision is identity. Discipline isn't built when it's easy. It's built when you move anyway. Discipline isn't a mindset. It's a habit. And if it's not automatic, it's not real. You've been soft. You've been lazy. You've been lying. You skipped the work. You broke your word. You let the weak version win. That ends now. No more comfort. No more excuses. No more fake effort. You don't go back. You don't reset. You kill what's soft and you don't bring it with you. This is the line. And you step forward. This is the break. Right here, right now. No more trying. No more fixing. Burn the version of you that waited, that made excuses, that lived soft. No more dragging him around. No more starting over. No more halfway. You want change? Then move like it. Eat like it. Train like it. Live like it. You don't need a new plan. You need a new standard. Make the break. Cut the weakness. Burn everything that kept you average. This is on you. Now, not your past, not your pain, not your parents, you. No one's saving you. No one's checking in. No one's fixing the damage you let happen. Every rep from here is yours. Every meal, every early morning, every time you choose discipline over weakness, that's on you. You built the problem. You build the solution. No more noise, no more pity, just action. That's it.